Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So at first open the settings, then find and select digital balance. So here it is. Now let's turn it on if it's not already done. Mark if you are the user or your child, tap on OK then, and here you'll be able to find the whole statistics. If you'll tap here again, you can get a bit more knowledge. You can check the stats for particular apps, and you can check it daily. You can check it weekly, however you like. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.